Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and lots of loves, hugs and kisses from my end so that you can enjoy your Christmas a very good way. So this is a Christmas look that I have created. This is a very simple and attractive look. So if you want to see how I've created this look, then watch this video till the end. So today I'm going to use a Garnier Wrinkle Lift cream. So this is actually a very good cream for those who are above 25 28. They can use this anti-wrinkle cream. This is from Garnier. It really absorbs in the skin and it will keep your skin moisturized for a long time. At the same time it is an anti-wrinkle cream, so definitely you can go ahead with this. It's a drugstore, it's quite affordable, and it's available on Nykaa, Amazon and Myntra also. So before doing your makeup, always prep your skin with a moisturizer. Moisturizer is done now, so I will give some time to absorb it in my skin and then I will start with my makeup. So today I'm going to use a Lakme Absolute Brow Perfect primer. So this is actually a very good primer. It has a pinkish tone, so it gives a fresh in your look, and at the same time it has a blur effect. So it's a very good primer from my end. I highly recommend this primer. So if you're looking for a good drugstore primer, definitely you can check it out. So this is also available on Nykaa and Myntra. So now I'm going to use this primer all over in my face. So if you're going to stay in home and if you're going to celebrate your Christmas in home only, and definitely then you can skip this primer. And if you're going out and celebrating outside, then definitely use a primer because it will help your makeup to stay for a long time. At the same time it will give that flawless base. So now my primer is done and now I'm going to wear a foundation. So today I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this is actually a very good foundation. It is easily blendable and it looks very like your skin type. It will not look cakey, and it will give you medium coverage. So if you are a office goers and if you want to use a regular foundation, if you're looking for a regular foundation, then definitely you can check it out. And if you're a beginner, then also this is also a very good foundation. And if you're in my shade, then my shade is 230 Natural Buff. You can buy this one also. So here I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend my foundation all over in my face. So let me know what you all are doing in this Christmas, because what you have planned in this Christmas. Are you going to put trees in your house, and are you going to decorate your house with lights? Because in previous year I have put trees in my house, and I have also decorated my house with lights. So because of this corona situation, we came from Delhi to in my hometown. So I haven't planned yet how to decorate my house. So let me know in the comment sections what you all are planning, how you are decorating your houses. So as today is 16 December and I'm going to post this video before 25th December. So if you can share your ideas, then definitely I also can make some plans so how to decorate my house, because as we know, we all are staying in our homes, we are not going out much, so that we can by staying in home only we can decorate our houses. And let me tell you one thing, that in this now in this period, sometimes I feel very low because of this corona situations. We cannot go out much, we cannot do outside activities. Most of the time we need to do indoor activities, we need to stay home. And what all you are doing, how you are feeling, do you feel low sometime because you cannot go out much, and how you can recover that? Let me know in the comment section so that I can also apply some tips and tricks. So my foundation is done and now I'm going to use a concealer. So So today I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So this is actually a very good concealer. It cover your dark circles if you have, and it also cover pigmentations, and it will make your eye look very fresh. So if you're looking for a good concealer, you can check out this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and my shade is 20 Sand. So what I'm telling, so in Christmas, what are you all planning? So generally what I do in Christmas, basically what I do, we buy cakes and then we go to church to celebrate this day. And then we in most of so my hometown is Kolkata. So in Kolkata, most of the places there is a mela going on, so we sometimes go to melas, we sometimes go to malls, and we celebrate in that way. But in this year, because of this corona, I don't think church will be open for everyone, so maybe we won't be able to go to church this time. But definitely we will celebrate by having cake. And now I'm going to use Wet n Wild contour palette. So this is actually a very good contour palette. So and I love this banana powder. It helps to set your makeup and set your foundations, and if you're looking for a good contour palette, then definitely you can try it out. It has a good bronzer also for contouring, and the banana powder is also very good. And now I'm going to use a Nika eyebrow definer pencil, and this is in the shade B with Chestnut. So this is also a very good eyebrow pencil, and it gives a good pigmentation. It has a good pigmentations, and it will gives very natural eyebrows, and it also increase the volume of your eyebrows. So whenever you will check out in Nike, it may shows most of the time sold out because it is very high on demand. So always keep eye on Nike if you want to have this one. Whenever it will be available, try to buy this. And now I'm going to use a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. So this is also a very good eyeshadow palette. The most of the colors is very useful. You can create many type of looks from this eyeshadow palette. So today I'm going to take this transition shade and I'm going to use it in the upper lid of my eyes. And now I'm going to take this shade and going to use it in the inner corner of my eyes. Take this flat brush and going to use it in my lower lash line area. So I'm taking this dark shade and going to use it in my lower lash line area. And now I'm going to take this golden shimmer shade and going to use it in the center of my eyelid. So here I'm going to use my finger use a Nika kajal. So I'm going to use this kajal in my waterline area. So always use kajal in your waterline area because it will make your eye look bigger and beautiful. So my kajal is done and now I'm going to wear a mascara. So today I'm going to wear a Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So whenever you will see in my videos, most of the videos I have used this mascara. It is a very good mascara. It adds volume in your lashes and it stays for a long time. It is a waterproof mascara, so definitely you can wear this mascara and you can also go to wedding invitations and your mascara will stay. Now I'm going to wear my falsies. So if you want to wear falsies, that is fine. Otherwise you can skip falsies. You just can go with the mascara and that also will look beautiful. So but I like to wear falsies, that's why I'm going to wear falsies. And now my falsies are done. Now you can see my whole face has changed. Now I'm going to use a Wet n Wild contour palette and here I'm going to take this bronze shade. So this is also a very good bronze shade. It's help in contouring. So if you love contouring, then definitely you can check this bronzer. Now I'm going to use a blush. So this is a color blush. This is in the shade Sweet Scarlet. This is also, it will go with my look, today's look. This is done now and now I'm going to use a highlighter. And for highlighter I'm going to use Sugar Contour palette. So this is another great palette. So if you're going for any holidays, vacations, then definitely you can have this palette. It has a contour blush highlighter. So it's a one palette and you get 3 of the products. So definitely if you're going for any destinations wedding, or if you're going for any birthday party, or if you're going for any holiday vacations, there also you can take this palette. So and you can see the highlighter is also very good. My cheekbones is already highlighted and I'm going to use this highlighter in my brow bone area and also in the center of my nose a little bit and in my upper lips area and in my little bit in my forehead area. Wear a lipstick. So this is a Maybelline lipstick in the shade Divine Wine. So this is my final look. So hope you have loved this video. If you do love this video, then please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.